How to ignore and unignore messages in Messenger. So if you want to ignore and unignore the messages in Messenger, then first open up your Messenger application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and tap and hold on to the chat, and here you will have an ignore option on the bottom of your screen. But if you don't have the ignore option, then you can simply go and restrict the chat. It's equal as ignoring. So if you have ignore, you can go and ignore it. And for example, I'll be choosing restrict because ignore is not in my region. The option is not available in my region. Once you've done that, now if you want to unignore that person, then if you've ignored, then you will have the person's chat right there. You can simply tap and hold on to that person's chat again, and then you will have an ignore option. But if you've restricted, you can go with the upper left and then go with settings, which is on the upper right. Scroll down, go with privacy and safety, and here you will have restricted accounts. So tap on restricted accounts and tap on the account that you've restricted. Tap on continue and then tap on unrestrict, which is on the bottom of your screen, and that's it. You can also restrict the person instead of ignoring. It's not like blocking, but it's same as ignoring. So that's how you can ignore and unignore the messages in Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.